Hey guys, I'm going to answer one of the famous questions I get, right? What color draping panels should you start with for your draping business? This video is going to actually help you figure all that out, so stay tuned. So guys, I want you to take a second, right? And I want you to imagine how much money you'll be able to save, especially if you no longer had to waste money on fabric just sitting in your storage because they are the colors that no one is asking for. Hey guys, my name is Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy and they call me the Draping Queen. I have been in the industry for 3 years now. In this video, I want to answer a popular question from so many of my students who are just starting out, which is what color draping panel should I start with and what should I buy, right? Now, we all know that there are so many options available to us, but what's the right choice? Well, in this video, I am going to share the best startup colors to add to your inventory if you're just starting out. So if you're ready to find out just what to buy, I want you to watch this to the end. I have a question. Have you ever dreamed of creating beautiful backdrops, but that you got overwhelmed at the thought of what to buy, right? There are so many options out there to choose from, and looking at all those colors can really make you insane. And it make you think of buying all the colors, right? I know I did. And if you're anything like I was, you probably have some pieces in your inventory that you never even used yet. I used to go on CV Linen's website, guys, every Sunday, I kid you not, just to check out their clearance section or the sale of the week, right? I would buy all sorts of colors just because I thought I was getting a deal. Boy, was I wrong. Now, no snub to CV Linens because I love those guys. But in this video, we'll go over what colors you should first start out with for your draping panels so you can slowly build your inventory without breaking the bank. So I need you guys to be honest for a second. Have you bought any colors that you've never used yet? And then I want you to tell me what actually made you to buy them. I love hearing from you guys. And not to mention your comments and experiences, they really help other viewers, right? But here's the thing. If you watch this entire video, you'll learn what colors you should start with for your draping business. So let's start. All right, so we're going to get into tip number one. Now, tip number one is definitely to start with the basics. You definitely will want to purchase your basic colors such as your white, your black, your ivory, gold, maybe even silver, right? Because these colors are almost always used for any occasion. They can easily be paired with other colors and other textures to create so many different themes. If you have an extensive amount of white and enough gold sequin, guess what? You can easily pair that with a couple of pink panels or a couple of whatever color, and you'll be able to create a princess backdrop, right? Or a princess theme, right? But better yet, if you have silver along with some white, you can add a little bit of blue, right? To make some kind of baby boy shower. You know, it's so many different options when you have your base colors. So now you see why you should always start with the basic colors first. Now for tip number two. Now in tip number two, I want you guys to think about and manifest your next client, right? I know. You're probably like, huh? But what I mean by manifest your next client is simply buy panels in the color of the type of event that you actually want to design. You need to create mock-ups of different kind of backdrops that people will actually want and be attracted to, right? So let's just say if you desire to create a princess themed backdrop, right? I want you to buy fabric for that specific theme and create a mock-up. Then you'd market your new design to expectant moms that are having a girl, right? They normally fall instantly in love with the design and they ask you to just recreate it and do the same exact thing for their shower. How easy is that? All right, guys, so now I need some feedback. I need you guys to tell me, have these two tips help you decide what colors to get? You can easily thank me by liking this video to help me reach 100 likes. Not to mention, it's absolutely free to do and it only takes 1 second. I know your girl is worth 1 second, right? But don't go just yet because there's even more. So on to the next tip, which is actually the easiest one of them all. Tip number 3, I want you guys to purchase what's trending. The easiest way to attract new potential clients is to stay on top of what's trending, right? Let's face it. Who doesn't want to be cool or who doesn't want to be the talk of the town? Everybody, to some degree, has a little bit of vanity inside of them, right? If you buy fabric in trending colors, such as maybe Pantone of the year or whatever colors have gone viral, it's almost a guarantee that you will get booked. But you got to do it while it's hot, right? Don't wait until the buzz dies and then try to mimic it or then try to create it, right? One key note though, just because you have the colors and you buy the colors, you must have the design skills as well. But if you struggle in this area, guess what? No worries, because if you're watching this video, it's a good chance that you are looking to learn or enhance your draping skills. And what better way to learn than learn from the draping queen herself? So check out my links in the description below where you can immediately take advantage to learn from me. I even created a free trial bonus introductory course that lays out everything you need to get started so you can jumpstart your draping services off on the right foot. So all you gotta do is click the link below to gain instant access inside the course. Bottom line, guys, when it all comes down to it, your fabric is one of the biggest assets of your business, right? As with any other inventory, you have to learn to take care of it properly. Otherwise, you're gonna waste a lot of money buying new fabric. And with that being said, if you've ever gotten candle wax on your draping or your table linen, you're gonna wanna watch my next video to learn the coolest hack on how to get it easily removed. I hope you're subscribed, because if you're not, guess what? Now's a good chance to do it. Remember to turn on your notifications bell so you know each and every time I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope to see you guys on the inside.